Hey guys, today I'm making one of my favorite side dishes, roasted asparagus. It's super easy and pairs well with any entree. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is thoroughly wash the asparagus and make sure you get all the dirt and grimy stuff out. After picking out the thicker asparagus, you're going to want to use a vegetable peeler to peel the ends of it because they can get a little chewy. And you can't forget to trim the ends off too. Now you're going to want to spread your asparagus out evenly on either a baking sheet or a roasting pan, and in my case I'm just using a Pyrex Tupperware. Then you're going to drizzle either olive oil or, in my case, avocado oil. I got this one from Aldi and it's really good. Now it's time to season up your asparagus. I'm keeping it simple by just adding some cracked pepper, Himalayan salt, and some garlic. You can also switch it up by adding some Parmesan cheese or cayenne pepper. Toss it all up, and then you're going to put it in the oven for 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and you're going to let them roast till about 12 to 15 minutes. And there you have it guys, roasted asparagus. Super easy to make and delicious too. I hope you guys give this recipe a shot, and if you have any questions, comment below, thumbs up this video, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. And for more information, check out the description box below. Bon appetit! Bye!